Hi, this is Kathy Lee Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am here to do a flip through of the kit from Be Happy Stationery that I will be working with next. I have an idea in my head what I'm going to do with it, but I'm not going to tell you what that is because I want you to wait and see. This collection is called the Whimsical Woodland Collection. I am a design team member for Be Happy Stationery, and I'm really excited to show you this kit. And actually, there's already another one I'm ready to print off that I love just as much as this one for different reasons. So, for those of you who'd seen my videos before, Be Happy Stationery, one of the things I like about a lot of their kits, their digital kits, is that they're full of whimsy. And this one even has whimsy in the name, so I love it. They also do have more elegant ones. They have some, almost some more gothic ones too. The whimsical ones are surely my favorite, but they do offer a lot more than that. So let's take a quick look and flip through this collection. All right, so I printed the pages like this. I printed them borderless, and I put one of the background sheets prints on the back. So just take a look. I'm not really going to describe these because y'all can see all the fun images in here, unless there's something that I really want to point out. So that's pretty cool. This one, of course, anybody who knows me knows I love that little guy. And then we have this one. At first glance, it just looks like a butterfly, but when you go closer, there's a little fairy there. There are so many fun things in these pages. And then this one has a different color background page. Uh-oh, upside down. Okay, this one, this is that same kind of look of the little girl as the one I did on my, I don't remember, Petal Fay papers. Same kind of look, but totally different paper. And that one has that same color, I guess. Okay, now this one has the blank spot here where you could journal or maybe even put a photo. That spot is built in. I like the way this looks like strips of paper have been laid out and collaged together. That saves me from having to tear up a bunch of paper and do it myself. And there's another color background paper. And here we have another fine little friend there. Mushrooms. Not sure about that eyeball there. That's different. Little fairy house in the stump. These are just super cute. Oh, maybe this is the guy I love the most. Oh, maybe this is the guy I love the most. See, there's just too much about these that I like. And then another little fairy house. So I'm just going to flip through these quickly. These are the ones that I printed double-sided. And I did them borderless. And look at him. Too dang cute. Oh, that looks like a surprised cat. I wonder what he just saw. It's a surprise cat with wings even. And then we have a mushroom house. Super, super cute. I hope my idea works as I start trying. We got mushroom house again. Just so many fun things. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, we've got another one hiding there. Ooh, we have a whole mushroom community here. Cute, cute, cute. Then we have a steampunk looking cat, a futuristic cat. Another cutie there. There's our thing. Now these ones, I'm putting these single-sided, and these ones are cardstock. The other ones were paper. Some of the same images, but some of the paper layouts are different. These ones are probably going to be for layering or for the base of something where I want the heavier paper. So some of the same ones, just heavier single-sided cardstock, because I may be doing something else with those. So we're going through some of these same pages again. Next we have cardstock again, single-sided, some of the ephemera. And these images are different than the ones on the other ones. There's actually several different parts to this collection. You can get some of them individually if you don't want it all, or you can get the bundle that has all of them in it. Cutie. Super cute. So these ones I will probably cut out, so I wanted them to be on cardstock. But I will probably layer these, so that's why the backs are blank. Oh, here's that same, is that the same elephant? Can't find it now. I'll have to look. I think that's the same elephant we saw earlier, just bigger. Super, super cute. I saw another design team member made something and made this really cool. Something really cool using that. Now here we have a little file folder, some tags, tickets, envelope. Very cool. And this one says this was an Instagram as a mini collaboration with Be Happy Stationery. So this Jade E. Suzanne art did this particular page. Then we've got more here. Super cute. Love this. Some of the same images, just done differently. And then look at these fun little torn spots. And now we have some pockets. We've got a giant stamped image. We've got our scaredy cat there. Very cool. More pockets. More pockets. More giant stamps. More fun images. Now this one, I must have forgot not to do it borderless, because part of that's cut off. Anyway, we've got the tags and stuff on this. And again, these are just on white cardstock. Oh my goodness, all the cute images. Oh, did we see this guy before? I'm not sure. I don't know if we saw that guy either. Super, super cute. And then we have more tags and the giant circles. More. And if you know me well, you know that I love that one because I definitely have a thing for penguins, although I like all the little whimsical animals. This kit is just amazing. So many fun things. That one's the same one. And then on just plain paper, I printed the envelope and some of this. And this is another one by Jade of Jade E. Suzanne Art. So she created the base and she did that. So just collaboration with somebody else. Here's some more. These are ones I do the envelopes. And again, I forgot to do this. I did a borderless, so it didn't quite print right. I can still make it work. Oh my goodness. How cute are these little mini envelopes? That little guy. Just super cute. And then more envelopes there. So, this is a huge collection. I don't even know how many pages it is. No clue. Because I don't print them off all at once because I'm doing some double-sided. Some of them I'm doing on different papers. So I figure out what I'm going to do and I make a list of what I'm going to print on cardstock, what I'm going to print double-sided, and all that. So I'm going to start some work on this as soon as I figure out exactly how to make my plan of what I want to do work. So I will be back in a couple days, maybe even this weekend, with at least progress on this or a finished project that I might get some of it done off camera and then finish it on camera. Anyway, this is a Whimsical Woodland collection from Be Happy Stationery. I hope you come back and take a look. The links to her shop will be in the description of the video. And hit the like button if you haven't already. If you would like, subscribe to my channel and check out some of the other designers. You can do hashtag #BeHappyStationery and I think you'll get lots of videos that will come up. Thanks for stopping by. Happy crafting!